Hey guys, this is Sanbana and welcome to True Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment. As we all know, Pepsi to manage to get a pin of her husband's cell phone, guys. As we all know that Mampintsha was not really a faithful man. He used to cheat on her all the time, and she did mention that there was a time where he was sleeping with all her dancers, guys. So you don't expect a loyal from such a man, guys. I think if you go through their cell phone, obviously you're gonna get something, guys. Now people are saying, expect to Pepsi to post your news, especially those side chicks that were busy chatting with the Mampintsha. It might happen because right now she's busy posting those messages that Mampintsha used to talk with those ladies, and it doesn't look good on her, guys. It hasn't been 7 days already. Pepsi to me, she's busy with her cell phone. I do understand that is her husband's cell phone, but I don't think it was idea for her to have access to that cell phone right now, guys, because trust me and believe, this might not end well for her, especially that the fact that she's still a musician and she still want to make it in life, especially in the entertainment industry, guys. People now might think that she's a crazy human being. I do understand that she's trying to deal with the pain, but I feel like this is not right time, guys. I feel like Pepsi needs to find a way to heal, because honestly all this attention for herself is unnecessary. A way of dealing with the loss is sexually heartbreaking. God and her ancestor protect and guide her, guys. Go, but this thing, guys,